Students will discuss the reaction of ethers today, manufacture of ethers. See here, we are going to discuss this typical reaction. I'll write it in bold letters. Williamson's synthesis. What is Williamson's synthesis? It is the synthesis of ethers. How? You take alkyl halides. When alkyl halides are treated with sodium alkoxide, when alkyl halides are treated with sodium alkoxide or sodium phenoxide, this is sodium alkoxide, this is sodium phenoxide, we get ethers. How is that? That is ROR, symmetric ether. RO phenoxide, इथं phenoxide ला आपण aryl group घेऊया. So what do we get here? ROAR plus what remains? Sodium halide. This is called Williamson synthesis reaction. So what is Williamson synthesis here? A reaction of alkyl halides with sodium alkoxide or sodium phenoxide, हा phenolic group है, phenoxide to form ethers. That is disymmetric ethers or asymmetric ethers. This is symmetric ether, this is asymmetric ether. Is called as the Williamson synthesis reaction. Point number 1. Point number 2 is that this Williamson synthesis reaction is the best example for SN2 mechanism. How? The phenoxide, हा जो phenoxide ion है ना, हा, the phenoxide, this alkoxide and phenoxide ion has a backside attack on alkyl halides. The alkoxide and the phenoxide ion does a backside attack on alkyl halides. ठीक है? It's a simple example of SN2 mechanism to form ethers. Next point, students, the reaction of Williamson synthesis is possible only when we take primary alkyl halides. Like here primary alkyl halide घेतले आपण. For secondary and tertiary alkyl halides, हे tertiary alkyl halide आहे. What is that? It is tert butyl chloride. What is it? It is tert butyl chloride. Students, instead of taking primary alkyl halides, if I take secondary or tertiary alkyl halides, I result in the formation of alkene. I never get ethers. I get what? I get alkenes. So, ethers are obtained only when alkyl halides, primary alkyl halides are used. If you take secondary or tertiary alkyl halides, if you take secondary or tertiary, आता हा tertiary alkyl halide है. If you take tertiary alkyl halides, I get alkene. Now what is this alkene here? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. Means it is isobutene. What is it? It is isobutene. Ends the job. Clear concept? Okay. So what is Williamson synthesis? It is the reaction of sodium alkoxide or sodium phenoxide with primary alkyl halides to form ether. May be symmetric or may be asymmetric. Point number 1. If instead of primary alkyl halides, if I take secondary or tertiary alkyl halides, students, I get alkenes. I never get ethers. Clear concept? हे झाला एक पार्ट. आता नेक्स्ट पार्ट. Concentrate. अक्षर मोठं लिहिते. Still, if you are unable to see from the board, light कमी वाटत असेल, काय वाटत असेल, you are fully welcome to tell me. Look here. Now, next is the physical properties of ethers. Physical properties. Dimethyl ether and ethyl-methyl ether are gases, whereas higher order ethers are liquids. Okay. First physical property is what? Dimethyl ether, ethyl-methyl ether are gases. Higher ethers are liquids. Point number 1. Point number 2. Physical property number 2. That lower ethers are highly volatile, means evaporate easily. Lower ethers are highly volatile, means they evaporate easily and are inflammable. म्हणजे जळतात, पेटतात. हा पेटणं ह्याला inflammable म्हणतात. So lower ethers are highly volatile and are inflammable. Point number 2. Point number 3. The boiling point of ethers increases with increase in the molecular mass. Third का boiling point of ethers increases with increase in the molecular mass. Ends the job. So lower ethers are gases, higher ethers are liquid. Lower ethers are highly volatile and inflammable. Next, फक्त lower ethers हा higher ethers च्या भानगडीतच पडत नाही कोण. The next is that the boiling point of ethers increases with increase in molecular mass. Ends the job. Next, students, property of polarity. We will discuss this next property, which is called polarity. Now, what is polarity? If you look into ether कसा असतो? It's like this. The COC bond angle is 110 degree. It is not 180 degree. Means the COCO dipole moments do not cancel each other. Hence, ether मध्ये थोडं का राहीना dipole moment राहतं and therefore ethers are polar molecules. So how are ethers? Ethers are therefore polar molecules. I'll repeat what I said. Polarity. The COC bond angle is 110 degree instead of 180 degrees. Hence, the COCO bonds do not, or we can put it like this, the COCO dipole moments do not cancel each other and hence ether has small, no doubt small, but a dipole moment. Therefore, ether is a polar molecule. Ends the job. ठीक है? हे झालं physical properties and polarity चं. Now we will discuss the solubility. नीट आहे का students? Solubility. Alcohol molecules जे आहेत, they are bonded by hydrogen bonding. Ethers are not bonded by hydrogen bonding. एक point clear करायचा की alcohols are bonded by hydrogen bonding. Ethers are not bonded by hydrogen bonding, but ethers dissolve well in water. They are soluble in water like alcohols are soluble in water. Why? Because ether forms etherite oxide. Ether oxide है ether oxide forms hydrogen bonding with water and therefore ethers are soluble in water. I'll repeat. Ether molecules are not bonded by hydrogen bonding, but still they are soluble in water because of this ether oxide ion, this typical ether oxide which makes it form hydrogen bond with water and hence soluble in water. Next property, आता chemical properties घेऊया. बघा रे, नीट बघावं लागणार तुम्हाला. Chemical properties. Ethers are neutral in character. हाँ, केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी, फर्स्ट केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी बघूया. First chemical property, ethers are neutral in character, means they do not react with acids, bases, oxidizing agent, reducing agent, काहीच नाही. ठीक है. So ethers, like unlike alcohols unlike phenols, ethers are neutral in character, means they do not react with acids or bases, oxidizing agent or reducing agent, but they react with cold. बघा रे मुलांनो, they react with cold concentrated sulfuric acid. हाँ acid है. They react with cold concentrated sulfuric acid to form what? To form this typical ion. नीट बघा मुलांनो. To form this typical ion, which is called oxonium ion. Oxonium ion. And remain काय? सर्कल मारला तर तो आयन झाला. हा मुलांनो, पॉझिटिव्ह आयन आणि नेगेटिव्ह आयन. Ethers are neutral, but they react with cold concentrated sulfuric acid to form what? This typical ion, which is called oxonium ion. That's it. ठीक है. Reaction of ethers with oxidation. Ethers, आता डायमिथाइल इथर प्रिसाइजली घेऊन दाखवते तुम्हाला. डायइथाइल इथर, this is diethyl ether here. Diethyl ether react with oxygen of air, undergo oxidation. हाँ, undergo oxidation to form oxygen of air. Ethers here, this is diethyl ether, my dear students. Diethyl ether reacts with oxygen of air to form peroxide. To form peroxide. Okay, but this peroxide is highly hazardous. खूप डेंजरस आहे हा. ठीक है. That is a reaction of ethers with oxygen of air. They form peroxide, which is a highly hazardous. म्हणजे ethers जेव्हा तुम्ही ओपन ठेवता, they get converted into peroxides, and peroxides हे hazardous आहेत, dangerous reactions आहेत. ठीक है. They are dangerous, students. Is it okay? Come on, we'll continue with the next thing. Students, we will discuss the next part. Please concentrate here. The next reaction we are going to continue, and that is the reaction of alkyl halides with dilute sulfuric acid. Alkyl halides react with dilute sulfuric acid, undergo hydrolysis. Hydrolysis म्हणजे addition of water in the presence of acid. That is called hydrolysis. So ethers undergo hydrolysis in the presence of dilute sulfuric acid to form what? To form alcohols. What is this, students? This is alcohols. Next, ethers. You can take symmetric as I have taken on the board. You can take asymmetric also. They undergo hydrolysis. Addition of water in the presence of acid. ह्याला hydrolysis म्हणतात. Undergo hydrolysis to form what? To form alcohols. ठीक है. हे झालं. आता तुम्ही अल्काइल अराइल इथर घ्या. You will get phenols. No. What do we get here? ROH plus AROH. So this is the reaction of phenols with dilute sulfuric acid. We will take the reaction, this is the reaction of ethers with dilute sulfuric acid. Ether reacts with dilute sulfuric acid, undergo hydrolysis, म्हणजे addition of water to form what? Either symmetrical alcohol, same type, different type, or even phenols also. आता हे AROH जे आहे ना, it is phenols. Clear concept? Go to the next. Students, तुम्हाला एक सांगते, ethers. We will take the next, that is, हे झालं एक part आता. We will take the reaction of aryl, alkyl ethers. अराईल म्हणजे काय? एक AR ग्रुप घेऊया आता एक्झाम्पल म्हणून. हा अराईल, हा अराईल अल्काइल इथर. अराईल अल्काइल इथर नाव काय त्याचं? आठवते का बघा? यू हॅव लर्न्ड इट इन युअर 11th स्टँडर्ड. एनिसोल. एनिसोल reacts with what? Anisole reacts with, we'll put it like this, anisole or aryl alkyl halides, they react with certain compounds, like for example they react with nitric acid in the presence of sulfuric acid. The reaction is called nitration. So what is nitration here? It is the reaction of ethers, aryl alkyl ether, example anisole, they react with nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Here mixture of nitric acid and sulfuric acid is called nitrating mixture. Nitrating mixture. The reaction is called nitration. The reaction is called nitration. So, what is nitration reaction here? Reaction of alkyl aryl halides with nitric acid in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. The mixture of nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid is called as what? Nitrating mixture. To form what? Products are to form para nitro anisole and ortho. I hope you understand. Ortho nitro anisole. ठीक है? Ortho nitro anisole. Next reaction, concentrate. बघा हा students. Concentrate well. Next reaction is reaction of alkyl aryl halide with bromine. नीट आहे का? alkyl aryl halide react with bromine in the presence of acetic acid to form a mixture of two important products, that is what is this? Para bromo anisole, which is major component 90% formed, and orthobromo anisole, which is just 10% formed. Is it clear? So what is this? This is an anisole. I hope it is clear. It is a reaction of alkyl aryl halides, alkyl aryl ethers with bromine. ठीक है, एक खूब इंपॉर्टेंट रिएक्शन शिकवते हैं, गाठ बांध लो. व्हाट इज दैट? We will learn the next important reaction, and that is Friedel-Crafts reaction. What is that? I will let you know. Friedel-Crafts reaction खूब महत्वाचा रिएक्शन है. तो it comes in the exam, students. What is that reaction here? When alkyl aryl ether, heading Friedel-Crafts, very important reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. It is the reaction of alkyl aryl ether with alkyl halides with alkyl halides or असाइल हलाइड. हा अल्काइल हलाइड, हा असाइल हलाइड. ह्याचं नाव काय? इट इज मिथाइल क्लोराइड अँड हियर एसिटाइल क्लोराइड. कळतंय? एसिटाइल क्लोराइड इन द प्रेझन्स ऑफ अनहाइड्रस aluminum chloride. To form what? Important compound. Please concentrate, Mulano. What is this? 1. हा टोलिन, हे पूर्ण रिंग टोलिन आहे. सो इट इज 1 methoxy टोलिन आणि हे काय 4 मिथॉक्सी टोलिन. आर यू ओके? आता ऍसिटाइल क्लोराइडला असाइल क्लोराइड म्हणतात त्याला. हा OCH3 असंच राहणार. हा COCH3 किंवा look here OCH3 and this is COCH3. The name of the compounds are 4 methoxy acetophenone. कीटोनिक ग्रुप है तो 4 methoxy 1 2 3 4 methoxy acetophenone. And what about this? I hope you understand. 1 methoxy4 methoxy acetophenone. Clear? Students, is it clear? Is it clear to you? So, I'll repeat very important reaction, Friedel-Crafts reaction. Reaction of ethers with alkyl halides or acyl halides in the presence of this important catalyst, that is anhydrous aluminium chloride, to form respective derivative, that is 1 methoxy toluene, 4 methoxy toluene, 1 methoxy acetophenone, 1 methoxy acetophenone, 4 methoxy acetophenone. मुलांना एक पॉइंट सांगते, इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन ऑफ अल्काइल अराइल इथर्स कसं आहे माहिती का? द अल्कॉक्सी ग्रुप, आता हा व्हाट इज दिस? योर अल्काइल अराइल इथर. This alkoxy group is highly activated. It activates the ring at ortho and म्हणून हे ortho आणि para positions कडेच substitution होतात. Students, I'll repeat this part. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Reaction of alkyl aryl ethers with methyl chloride or alkyl halides, acyl halide, in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride to form respective derivatives is Friedel-Crafts reaction. This is 1 methoxy toluene. हा पूर्ण टोलिन है. 1 methoxy toluene, 4 methoxy, 1 2 3 4 methoxy toluene. ठीक है? Similarly, what is this? What is this here? This is 4 methoxy acetophenone and 1 methoxy acetophenone. कळतं? हा ग्रुप जो आहे ना कीटोनिक ग्रुप आहे, which is acetophenone. Clear students? Next part. In alkyl aryl ether, the alkyl group activates the ring particularly at ortho and para position, and hence it undergoes electrophilic substitution at ortho and para positions. म्हणजे जनरली इथर्स मध्ये ऑर्थो आणि पॅरा पोझिशन्स कडे इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन जास्त होतं. दॅट्स इट. क्लिअर स्टुडंट्स? ओके. सो वन थिंग, uses दिले, they are there. I think you can read it. It's not a big thing for you to read the uses. And in the next period, so we wind up the topic here, and in the next period we will discuss aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. तो टॉपिक मात्र मोठा है. ठीक है? बाय for today.